up, guys? How's it going? Just gonna do this quick little unboxing, kind of my first impressions. First things first, it came pretty quick. I paid for next day air, forgot it was a holiday this weekend, so I really can't judge it on that. It was here Tuesday, the day it said it was gonna be here. Got emails saying that when it was, whatnot. So all in all, very good shipping and stuff. So let's go ahead and open this box and see how it came in. First thing I noticed when bringing it around is there is a lot of rattling like inside the box, so they're not packaged, you know, the greatest, but we'll see what happens. Oh man, they are beautiful. You guys can't quite see them, but they are beautiful. So first things first, they're actually packaged fairly nice. Yeah, let me go ahead and take one of them completely out. And if you guys do decide to go with these, I'm going to kind of let you know what I like and what I don't like about them. First, a lot better than I thought too. They look real nice, they're real sturdy. Didn't know if like the material I got, I'm just gonna go ahead and say it now, this was the cheapest axle back that I can find online. So what the heck? What do you? Well, guys, thought they were scratched. I don't know if it'll pick it up, but there is a plastic on it. Kind of made me a little salty, but it looks like they're covered in some plastic film. Super nice. Actually really impressed with how they are. The welds are fairly decent. You know, they're not the best, but they're really nice. Guess we'll see how they fit on the car, and that'll be the next one. But yeah, so if you guys do get this, they put some plastic on it, so don't think it's scratched. I really thought they were scratched right away, so. They're even labeled. All in all, super impressed with them. Sorry, it's gonna be kind of just a boring video. I'm just kind of checking them out, making sure they're all good. Just kidding, it's not gonna be them next to each other. Just kind of wanted to say it's the cheapest kit, and it still came with new hardware as well. So gaskets and exhaust bolts. So that's kind of nice. Alright guys, there they are. Just gotta wait for the car to cool down a little bit, and I'll throw in the exhaust clips on this unboxing. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Nothing too crazy for this video. Thank you guys. Like and subscribe. If you do like and share the video, it does help me out a lot, so that would be nice. Thank you.